I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Ergobaby Omni 360 baby carrier. So I really like the Omni 360 because it's very versatile and it adapts from when your baby is really a newborn all the way up to 30 pounds or more. And so it starts at 7 pounds. So if you have a really little newborn, it's probably not going to be the right fit for them. But as soon as they're 7 pounds, this is something you can start to use. And it's has all these different adjustments. So you can basically put in, you can adjust the bottom here, and it's color coded to make it super easy for the height of your baby. And then it has a little infant support that can go in at the bottom to keep their legs facing and in the right way so that they're safe and protected. There's also a piece that folds up and down on the front, so there's snaps that folds this piece up and down, either to support their head as they're littler, I believe, and then also to lock it back in as they get bigger so you have better access to them. You can also adjust all the straps that actually hold this on your body. And again, there's all different positions that you can use it in, and you can use it for all different weights. So take a look at the manual that comes with it in order to understand exactly how to set each one up. I think it's too much to show all of that, but you can see that there's all these different settings you can use to have it adapt to the size of your kid. The other things I like about it, it's very comfortable to wear. It doesn't have any rigid parts, and everything is nicely padded where it's actually in contact with your body. And I find that that's important, especially as your kid gets bigger, because you're bearing a lot of weight. It's distributed nicely, and the cushioning makes it much more comfortable to wear this, longer term. The other things I like about it, the actual area where your child is in contact with your body, this would go over your shoulders. I'll show that in a second. Your child goes in here, so they're supported from the back there, but they're actually pressed against you here. So the other side that they're actually contacting is your own body. So it's really helpful in that sense because you can feel where they're located, and also it's keeps you warm, keeps them warm. And I think it's just nicer than having them in this total sort of fabric cocoon that you sometimes see, because they are sort of just being held and supported, but they are being held against you too. So that skin to skin contact there, if you want to do that, that's definitely helpful for that as well. Other nice features with the Omni 360, you get this little carrying pouch if you don't think you can really swing a little pouch like that around your waist. This is nice to have it built right into the carrier, so you can put some essentials in there like some wipes or whatever you need to be moving around with your kid. I'll put this on. You can see what it actually looks like when you wear it. Okay, so there we go. Got it on. You can see this goes over your shoulders, and again, that nice padding on the straps. You can adjust this again to either provide support or to be open. And this is where you put your kid. I don't have my baby with me, but their head would be right here on your chest, and then their arms come out the sides, and their legs come out the bottom and are supported, again, depending on the settings that you use there. In terms of the actual attachment here, there's a belt down at the bottom that keeps everything secure at the bottom, and again is really thick and padded, so that provides a lot of good support. And all of this is adjustable for your own frame and the size of your kid. And the other thing that's nice about it is you can use it for multiple positions. So as they're very small, you start out with them usually facing you. You can also reverse the configuration so that they're facing forward as they get a little bigger and they want to be looking out as you're walking. And then you can ultimately switch it around to actually be on your back and be wearing them almost like a backpack type of format too. So that is the Ergobaby Omni 360 carrier.